Is your SkyQ box randomly turning off? You're not alone. Many users have experienced this frustrating issue, and we're here to help you fix it quickly. The most common issues include the box randomly turning off, getting stuck in standby mode, or showing a continuous red or amber light that won't respond to the remote. In May 2025, many SkyQ users experienced widespread standby problems due to technical issues. While Sky resolved the main issue, some users still experience these problems today. The most common causes are power issues, incorrect standby settings, and overheating. Understanding these causes helps us apply the right fix. The quickest fix is power cycling. First, switch off your SkyQ box at the power socket, not just with the remote. Wait 30 seconds, then switch it back on. This simple power cycle resolves most standby issues and gets your SkyQ box working normally again. You can identify standby issues by looking at the light on your SkyQ box. A continuous red or amber light usually means the box is stuck in standby mode and needs power cycling. If power cycling doesn't solve your problem, don't worry. We'll explore advanced troubleshooting steps, including standby settings, ventilation checks, and more detailed solutions in the next section. If basic troubleshooting hasn't resolved your SkyQ turning off issue, we need to explore advanced settings. First, let's examine your standby mode configuration, which can significantly impact your box's behavior. Navigate to Settings, then Setup, then Preferences, and finally Standby Mode. Here you'll find three important options that control how your SkyQ box behaves when not in use. The three standby modes each have different characteristics. Eco mode saves the most energy by entering deep sleep between 2:30 a.m. and 5:45 a.m., but can cause slower startup times and connectivity issues with many boxes during these hours. Proper ventilation is crucial for preventing your SkyQ box from overheating and shutting down unexpectedly. Overheating is a common cause of random shutdowns that many users overlook. Never place your SkyQ box on carpets or soft surfaces that can block air vents. Avoid enclosed spaces like cabinets without proper airflow, and don't stack other devices on top of the box as this traps heat. Network connectivity issues can also cause your SkyQ box to behave erratically. Check that your box is properly connected to your Wi-Fi network, or ensure your Ethernet cable is securely connected. If you're experiencing connectivity issues, you can reset your network settings. Navigate to Settings, Setup, Network, and select Reset Network. This will clear any corrupted network configurations. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset. However, this is a drastic step that will erase all your settings, preferences, and recordings. Only use this option when all other troubleshooting methods have failed. If none of these advanced troubleshooting steps resolve your SkyQ turning off issue, it's time to contact Sky Customer Support. They have access to additional diagnostic tools and can arrange engineer visits if hardware problems are suspected.